Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you my very first Stitch Fix unboxing. I finally made the decision to try Stitch Fix after watching another beauty and lifestyle YouTuber. Her name is Caitlin, and I'm going to link her video down below so that you guys can go watch her video because it's totally where I got my inspiration, and I actually got $50 off my first box because of her referral code, so definitely go check her video out. After you fill out a profile and style quiz on Stitch Fix, you get your own personal stylist who looks over your quiz and sends you personalized items that are meant just for you. So everybody's box is going to be different. Mine is a lot heavier than I was expecting it to be, and actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting. So you can choose to get this monthly or seasonally or whenever you decide to get this box. That's up to you. You just pay a $20 styling fee that goes towards any item that you get in the box. Anything that you don't want, you send back free of charge. The only thing that caught my attention was that if you decide not to get anything in the box, that they still charge that $20 fee for the personal stylist. So you do lose $20 if you decide not to get anything from the box. But if you decide to get everything in the box, you get like a certain discount. I think it's like 25% discount. So hopefully there's at least one thing in this box that I like. I'm really nervous because I'm actually very picky with clothes. So I'm dying right now. Like, I've been waiting 2 days to open this box. That is a lot of self-control for me. Let me just tell you. You can also choose what type of price range you want. I know they have like really high-end stuff, but you can choose to opt out of stuff like that because I can't afford to be wearing $500 sweaters and jeans. Like, I don't have money like that. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do upload Mondays and Fridays at 2. I'm not wearing a lip color. Oh my word, what is my life? Okay, I cannot do this entire video without a lip color. I'm gonna put this Jouer lip cream in Petal de Rose before we jump into this Stitch Fix box. Much better. All right, so we're gonna get started with this right away. Let me put my mirror down. This is my box right here, and I'm going to open this up. So excited. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so you get this return label right here where you can send back anything that you don't like. So yeah, that's very nice that they don't make you do that. They have this little envelope here, which I'm not going to open this up just yet because I don't want to know what I got yet. I want to open it up and see it visually first. So I'm going to put this over here. So this is what it looks like. Big wrapping paper. So excited. Okay, I'm going to do this small package first. Looks like there's going to be something, probably jewelry, I'm assuming. I don't know. I'm going to unwrap this first. Ooh, that looks very pretty. Okay, here goes. Oh, you guys. Jordana jewelry. Oh, this looks so pretty. Okay, so right here I have a golden necklace. And I was wanting another layering necklace. This is literally going to be perfect. I really hope this is not expensive. That is gorgeous. It's like this little gold chain with little rocks on it. It's so cute, so pretty. And then it comes with a little bag right here that says live, love, and layer. I really like that. I really hope it's not expensive. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay, so big wrapping paper right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna put it back in the box. Okay, so the first thing that we have is this snakeskin crop top. So cute. It's like a tank top with a little knot on the bottom of it. It is something that I would go for, so I actually really like this. I really hope this isn't expensive. It's a size medium from the brand Lush. I don't want to know yet. I want to unbox everything first before I go over all the prices. I would love to wear this with like a cardigan sweater or something, and I really like how it has like the little knot on the bottom. So we'll try this on in a minute, but I'm going to set this over here until we unbox everything else. I'm going to put my coffee over here on my table because I do not want to spill this on these clothes. Oh wow. Okay, so next we have this bright red. What is this? Is this a dress? Oh no. Oh no. It's so cute. It's a red dress. No, it's a jumpsuit. It's so cute. Okay, so it has a tie and it has the elastic. And let's see. It's from the brand Katie Sturino, exclusively for Stitch Fix. And it is a jumpsuit. Not too deep of a neckline. Looks like a perfect neckline actually. And I like how it's elastic. Makes it much more comfortable. And the material feels pretty good. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these on. I cannot wait to try these. These look really cute. Ooh. Next we have a pair of pants. And they're black pants. From the brand Mavi Alyssa High Rise Super Skinny Ultra Soft Fabric with exceptional stretch and structure. These remind me of my American Eagle black jeans that I wear all the time. Oh, this looks really nice. Like the fabric feels really nice and sturdy, and it does feel stretchy. I am so excited to try these on. I hope they're not like $100. The finish is a dark smoke, super soft style in Alyssa. Very nice. I'm excited to try that out. The other thing with me when it comes to pants and dresses is I'm so tall. It's so hard to find clothing that fits me right. So hopefully these are long enough for me. Last item in my box is this cardigan. Oh my word. Oh, this is so... Oh, it has the balloon sleeves. Oh, that's like my favorite thing about sweaters is the balloon sleeve. It's from the brand Madewell. It's a size medium. And look at this color. So cute. It has like little pom-poms on the sleeves. It's so adorable. I cannot wait to show you guys how it looks on me. Like, I can't wait to try it on. Yeah, so that's everything in my box. I actually really like everything that I got. Okay, so this is the first one. I really like the polka dots on it and everything, but it's really big on me. I feel like it's like falling down, and it has pockets and it's very light. So I feel like this would be more of a summer outfit. I know I could make this into a winter outfit if I put that cardigan on, which I will in a minute. But I don't know. I don't think it's worth the money, honestly. Like, it's really cute. I do like the design of it, and I love jumpsuits. They're so much fun. Sorry, I'm like going crooked on you. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I definitely don't think I'm going to spend the money on it for sure, but I do like the elastic waist. It makes it really, really comfortable. The back goes down like super low, like you can tell. And I don't know, it's really big on me. I think I definitely needed like a smaller size, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's a little bit too big on me, honestly. But yeah, I mean, not bad for the first thing to try on. Guys, I really like these polka dots. They're so cute. Okay, so I tried it on with this sweater, and I love this sweater so freaking much. I love this sweater. I feel like out of any of them, I am gonna end up, whoa. So yeah, I really, really like this sweater. I knew I was going to because of the balloon sleeves and everything. What do you guys think? I like it. I love that it has pockets. It looks really cute with this jumpsuit actually, but I'm kind of thinking no on the jumpsuit. I have something that's similar to this in the first place, and this is a really expensive jumpsuit. I'm not paying $98 for a jumpsuit. But yeah, I think I really like this sweater. It's really cute. I love the balloon sleeve. Super good quality, and I love the little pom-poms. That is so cute. Love it. So yeah, I'm really leaning towards getting this sweater. I love this sweater a lot. Very, very, very cute. So this sweater is for sure growing on me. This is the snake skin top that I got. I like it, but I don't think I'm gonna get it because I have something that's similar to this. But this cardigan, oh my word, you guys, I love it. I really like these pants. They're like super comfortable, and I am very tall, so they do fit really nicely. They go up nice and high. I love high waist pants. They are very good material, and I feel like they just go really well with this outfit. I'm really liking this outfit. I'm getting some inspiration in my head, but this cardigan is a must-have. I am for sure getting this cardigan. I love it. Like these pom-poms, you guys. Sorry, my lens is like poking your face. You can't see my face, but these pom-poms, I love the balloon sleeve. I love it. I don't really like how this like has this little hole right here. That's kind of weird. I don't really like that. Yeah, that's kind of weird. But I do like crop tops, and I like these pants. But I have a pair just like these, so I don't think I'm going to keep the pants either. Really, I'm thinking the only thing that I'm gonna get from this Stitch Fix is this cardigan. Like, I love it. I love little pockets on it. So cozy, and it just like, it's so flattering. I love it. And I like the off the shoulder. So cute. Here it is with like on the shoulder. Also, these jeans are very, very comfortable. Let's look at the price tag. These are Mobby jeans. Super comfortable. I really do like these jeans. I have something just like these, and I don't think I'm gonna spend all that money on one pair of jeans. So here comes the hard part. Now I need to look at the price. So I'm gonna open this little envelope here. Oh wow. Okay. Glad I have this $50 off referral code because this is looking really expensive. The order total without any discounts or anything is $378. The entire order would be $233.50 if I decide to buy everything, which I'm not. I know for sure I really want to get the cardigan, and the cardigan by Madewell is $94. But with the $50 credited towards it, that's much more affordable. The Avery charm necklace in gold is $60. Yeah. And then this jumpsuit is $98. That is really expensive. Let's see. The Lush cami blouse in off-white is $38. This right here, the little cami, $38. That's not too bad. The Mavi Aliza skinny jeans, these right here, are $88. I mean, for a good pair of pants, maybe. I don't know. That's really expensive though. So thankfully I have that $50 credit that goes towards it because I really do think that I want to get the cardigan. It is so cute. Refer a friend, get 25. Earn $25 credit when you share Stitch Fix with friends. Okay, so I get my own referral code, which I'll leave this down below if y'all want to have $25. But definitely go check out Caitlin's video because you get a $50 credit with her. They give you like a little card with like all these ideas on how to style the outfit. So I might use this a little bit here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you'd like to see more like this, and if you think that I should keep doing Stitch Fix. Yeah, I think we're gonna end it here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.